Hey, this is Pierre de Laco talking. There is a common mistake with Teams when you create a channel that I wanted to discuss about. So let me create a channel here, and I'm gonna create the channel. I'm gonna call it whatever, can give a description. And usually people just add the channel, but here you can see you can automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. So if you don't check this, then you see I'm invited to this team. I didn't see that there's a new channel. It, it it's not it's not there. Actually, there's a lot of channel I don't see. So if you forgot to check this box, and it happens all the time, even I'm forgetting sometimes because you're in a hurry and you forget about it. So if you want to change that, you go to Manage Team and then you click on the tab called Channels, and then you'll see all the channels. So you will see the one you want to see on your side as an end user. You can decide which one you want to see. So, for example, if I want to see, um, let's say, this one, work in progress, I can add it. But if I want to show it to all the members, so my demo YouTube channel here, I can click here and it will tell me that will be visible for other people. And when I do that on this side, I will see the new channel coming. So now I know there's a new channel. Another recommendation I make often when you create a new channel, so this channel, for example, um, you can maybe set up some permission right away, and you can then after see the analytics, but that's not what I wanted to show you. Actually, I wanted to edit the channel and name it. And my recommendation is to use an emoticon. So you press Windows point dot, window dot, and you choose a new emoticon. And that's okay. It's gonna be new just for you know for the time you want it to be new, but that way people can directly see what is new. So you check the fact that people will see the channel, and maybe you add the new. And since soon, when you rename your channel, it will rename the folder in SharePoint. That won't be an issue anymore, and you will have consistency. But that's a way, and after you can remove the emoticon, maybe after 1 week if you want. So those were my two tips. Don't forget to click the show to other members or to go in the channel and change it after the fact so people can discover there's a new channel. Hope this was helpful.